the cost of producing a car, labor and materials, is higher than your sell price, your business model is flawed, and it's doomed, and it's going to fail. And I will guarantee the only difference, the reason for this inflated stock, because Elon Musk said, oh, but look at my solar, look at Solar City, look at the panels, look at the battery plant. The battery plant, in my estimation, is a joke.
The battery plant, in my estimation, is a joke.
The joke's on you, Jack! The joke's on you, Jack!
And the Tesla. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. The Cybertruck is awesome and it costs $200,000. So, and bye guys. Happy to the weekends. Bye.